What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Codeage supplement brand and sharing with you the pros and cons of this brand, what I liked and disliked about this brand, and where I think this product, or excuse me, this brand has the best products and the products I probably wouldn't order from this brand again. So to begin, I tested 3 categories of their products. I tested their organ supplements, which are the top here. I tested their collagens, which are these two, and I tested their beef protein isolate. So let's start with the organ meats. The organ, well, not meats, but organ nutrients. I tested the heart and the spleen. I like that Codeage has individual organs. So for example, in this case, this is literally just grass-fed beef heart. 180 capsules, and it's freeze-dried, which is good because freeze-dried maintains a high degree of nutrition. So I tested the heart, and then I also tested the grass-fed beef spleen. Once again, these are grass-fed. They're also pasture-raised and grass-fed and grass-finished, and they're freeze-dried. So I'll say that I really like these because they give you exactly what you're looking for. So if you know you need spleen support or heart support or something like that, you can take that specific organ supplement and it gives you those specific nutrients from that organ for your spleen, for your heart, for your liver, whatever it may be. I like that it's grass-fed and grass-finished and pasture-raised. It checks all of the quality boxes there. And I also like that it's freeze-dried because freeze-dried maintains a higher degree of nutrition. So very happy with the organ meat supplements from Codeage. I will say, however, if you're looking for a blend that is complete, I personally like and recommend taking the grass-fed organ complex from Paleo Valley. I'll put the link in the description below. That'll give you 15% off. It contains liver, heart, and kidney. The highest amount of liver, second highest amount is heart, third highest amount is kidney, 2,700 milligrams of liver, 540 milligrams of heart, 360 milligrams of kidney. So I personally like this because I've tested my metabolism, and my metabolism is the healthiest when I take this grass-fed beef organ supplement. So if you're going to take single organ meat or organ supplements, Codeage is good if you know you need specific support in those areas. However, I would recommend you take this over specific ones because you're going to get a blend of liver, heart, and kidney, and your liver and your kidneys are so important for your metabolism, and your heart is your ticker. So this is, in my opinion, the perfect blend. It's also grass-fed, pasture-raised, all that kind of stuff. So, and freeze-dried as well. So I recommend this one. I'll put that link below. That's 15% off. So to be honest, I probably won't order the Codeage single organ supplements again because I just like the blend, and it's just simpler for me. It's less capsules, pills. It's a tongue twister there. So I personally recommend the Paleo Valley supplement as opposed to those. Now moving on, I'm going to cover the collagen last. I tested this beef isolate protein. It's unflavored, unsweetened, and it is gluten-free. It is 25 grams of protein with 1 scoop. It doesn't really have much of a flavor, which I was surprised by. I thought there would be more of a flavor even though it says unflavored because it's from beef. But honestly, I really like this. It contains 9 of 9 essential amino acids. So it gives you all your essential amino acids, which is incredibly important. It's better than getting your unessential or non-essential amino acids and some of your essential amino acids. So it contains all the essential amino acids. It has, it does contain 23 grams of protein per scoop. 25 grams is in 1 scoop, but 23 of those grams is protein. And then there's some sodium and some potassium in there as well. So once again, this is just a fantastic product. I cannot recommend this enough. If you go to the gym, this is awesome. Like if you don't do whey protein or you don't do plant proteins, this is an incredible protein. It's just beef isolate protein, and it's super high quality from Codeage. And once again, 23 grams of protein per scoop. 2 grams in your 46 grams of protein in. That's pretty hard to beat. So that's awesome. I love that. And then last but not least, I tested their collagens. Now, this is where I believe Codeage really stands out, is with their collagens. And the reason I say that is because I have taken collagen probably for 10, 15 years now. I've been in the health and wellness space. I've taken, God knows, how many supplements, probably $100,000 worth of supplements in my life. I have no idea. It's honestly probably insane if I were to actually add that number up. And I've taken a lot of collagen supplements over the years, and I'll say this, Codeage, their flagship products are by far their collagens. Codeage collagens are exceptional because, like, for example, in this case, it's 5 types. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and it includes 18 amino acids. So it's all 5 forms of collagen in one formula. This collagen contains biotin, vitamins, keratin, and hyaluronic acid for hydrating your skin. So, and it also contains vitamin C, D3, biotin, and 18 amino acids, all 5 types of collagen as well. So I really like that. The thing I like about Codeage is that within their collagen specifically, with their collagen, you can get like types 1, 3, and 5 collagen in a formula, or you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a formula. You can get collagen with specific vitamins that you're looking for. You can get collagen with hyaluronic acid, with keratin, with essentially whatever you want. So in terms of not only the types of collagen you want, but the other specific vitamins and or nutrients that are cofactors for maybe hydrating your skin and keeping your skin plump, or specifically maybe type 1 or 3, maybe you're looking for collagen specifically for your skin health, or maybe you're looking for collagen specifically for your joint health. They have so many types of collagens. They have the widest variety of collagens that I've seen in terms of both high quality and range and specificity of collagen to give you what you're looking for. Really, as you age, so you know, once you're 30 years old, your collagen declines by about 1% each year from 30 years on. And I can say firsthand that I totally believe that because I'm fairly active. I go to the gym 3, 4, 5 days a week. I am, outside, I'm active, I'm moving my body, and I'm in the sun a lot. And I've seen the effects of the sun on my skin, and I've seen the effects of movement and being very active on my joints as I age. And you feel the effects of it when you age. So it's important to take collagen, and if you're looking for collagen for your skin health or your joint health, and you're looking for specific nutrients to pair with those specific forms of collagen, Codeage gives you exactly what you need. So they check all the boxes for me because they're super high quality and they pair specific nutrients with those specific forms of collagen, whether it's 1, 3, 5, whatever it may be, to target the health of your joints or to target your skin health. Or if you want to just take 1 through 5, take their big tub and their big container. So personally, the Codeage organ supplements are good. I like that you can get the specificity with those. Their whey protein isolate, the beef protein isolate is amazing as well. Just if you go to the gym, I think it's a fantastic product. But I really think their collagen supplements that's their niche. That's their forte. They've done an exceptional job with them. And if you're looking for very specific types of collagen, do your research, do your homework. That is the brand I recommend. And this is the brand I use now. So I've basically just transitioned to using this brand for my collagen. So with that being said, another thing I want to share with you is that collagen, like I said, your body decreases about 1% a year with your collagen as you age. So by the time you're 40, your collagen has already reduced 10%, 50, 20%, 60, your collagen has reduced 30%. So, and this continues all the way until your death. So it's important to understand though that collagen in and of itself is a blend of amino acids. So those amino acids, when combined together, create what is known as collagen, which then builds your joints, your tissue, your ligaments, your skin cells, so on and so forth. And if your body doesn't have what it needs, that collagen, the building blocks for that collagen aren't built properly. And those nutrients that pair with collagen, like I just shared with Codeage, are so important because if those nutrients aren't there, that collagen and those amino acids don't bind together to build what your body needs to make that collagen functional and useful by your body. And you may just pass that collagen out when you consume it, which is what you don't want. So vitamin C is incredibly important for the assimilation of collagen in your body. And there's another tree sap from Peru called Sangre de Grado. Sangre de Grado is a tree sap that is a collagen binder. It helps take those collagen amino acids, build them together and bind them together. And a formula that I really like, that I have personally used and seen a difference in my skin health and joint health, and many other people have as well, is called Radiate 21. It includes Sangre de Grado, which is that tree sap. It's like a glue that takes those building blocks of collagen and brings them together so that it makes them functional and useful. And this also contains lemon, lime, and orange, and camu, 4 sources of vitamin C. So 4 sources of vitamin C plus the Sangre de Grado tree sap. So this really enhances your body's ability to utilize that collagen. So Check out radiate21.com as well if you want to take something that enhances the uptake and utilization of the collagen supplement that you're taking. I'll link up Codeage below. I'll also link up Paleo Valley's organ supplement below. That's a 15% off link. And I'll also link up Radiate 21 below. Hopefully this helps you on your supplement journey. My name is David Benjamin. I'm a health coach and founder of Healthy Wild Free. Here on this channel, I review health and wellness products, and I bring to you what I believe to be the highest quality products in the health and wellness industry. I'll see you in the next video. Leave your comments or questions below, and take care and make sure to live healthy, wild free. Cheers.